For more than 4,000 years, the Great Pyramid of Giza has stood as a silent sentinel on the edge of the Egyptian desert, its massive stones guarding secrets that have baffled explorers, scholars, and dreamers alike. Generations have wondered what truly lies within its ancient corridors. Legends have spoken of hidden chambers, lost treasures, and even curses that befall those who dare to enter. But in recent years, a team of international scientists and archaeologists made a discovery so unexpected, so utterly astonishing, that it sent shockwaves through the world of Egyptology. It all began with a question that had haunted researchers for decades. Had the Great Pyramid truly given up all its secrets, or was there more to be found? Traditional methods, maps, measurements, and even ground-penetrating radar had revealed much, but the heart of the pyramid remained elusive. That changed when a new technology, cosmic ray muon radiography, was brought to the site. This technique, which uses subatomic particles from space to create images of solid structures, allowed scientists to peer deep inside the pyramid without disturbing a single stone. The results were nothing short of breathtaking. As the data came in, a previously unknown void began to emerge, an enormous empty space hidden above the Grand Gallery, untouched for more than 4 millennia. The chamber was so large that it could fit a passenger jet inside. No one had ever suspected its existence. The news electrified the archaeological community. What could this mysterious void be? Was it a hidden burial chamber, a secret passage, or something else entirely? Theories abounded, but one thing was certain. The Great Pyramid was not finished telling its story. As word of the discovery spread, teams from around the world rushed to analyze the data. Some believed the void might have been designed to relieve pressure on the chambers below, a feat of ancient engineering. Others speculated it could be a decoy meant to mislead tomb robbers. But a few dared to wonder if it might contain something even more extraordinary. Artifacts, scrolls, or perhaps the lost burial of a forgotten king. The sense of anticipation was palpable. For the first time in generations, the world was reminded that the Great Pyramid still held secrets capable of shocking even the most seasoned archaeologists. As the world's attention turned to Giza, the team behind the discovery faced a daunting challenge: how to explore the void without damaging the ancient structure. So, scientists and engineers collaborated to develop non-invasive methods, including advanced robotics and miniature drones, to probe the mysterious space. The anticipation was electric. What would these eyes in the darkness reveal? The first images sent back were both thrilling and perplexing. The void was vast, its walls smooth and untouched by human hands for thousands of years. There were no obvious treasures, no golden sarcophagi or piles of jewels. Instead, the chamber's emptiness was its own enigma. Why would the ancient builders go to such lengths to create a space so large, only to leave it empty? Some experts suggested it was a symbolic gesture, a space meant for the soul of the pharaoh to ascend to the heavens. Others believed it was a feat of engineering genius, a way to distribute the immense weight of the pyramid and prevent collapse. But the surprises didn't end there. As the team continued their investigation, they discovered subtle architectural features, hidden shafts, mysterious blocks, and unusual alignments that hinted at a level of planning and precision far beyond what was previously believed possible. The void's location, directly above the Grand Gallery, suggested it played a crucial role in the pyramid's design. Some researchers even speculated that it could be connected to the legendary Hall of Records, a mythical archive said to contain the lost wisdom of the ancients. The discovery reignited debates about the true purpose of the Great Pyramid. Was it merely a tomb or something more, a monument to cosmic order, a machine for the soul, or a message to future generations? The shock was not just in what was found, but in how much we still don't know. The Great Pyramid, it seemed, was not a relic of a forgotten age, but a living mystery, still capable of humbling the modern world.